Hi lovelies, in this video I'm going to show you guys my top 3 Louis Vuitton SLG. I love SLG. I think they are great items to get if you are just starting your LV collection. Before we get started, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and like my video if you guys enjoy. I will be greatly appreciated. So let's get started. Here is the first item. My mini pochette in monogram. Loving this mini pochette so much. In my opinion, this is a very useful SLG, so versatile. You can fit so much in it. I did a video of what could fit in this mini pochette. I will link it down below if you guys are interested. The second item is my Louis Vuitton Victorian Wallet. I have been using this compact wallet more than a year and it still looks pretty good. Love this compact wallet. I did a review video on this compact wallet as well. My last top 3 SLG is this card holder. I've been using this card holder almost 6 months, I believe, and I found this card holder is very useful because I like to use small bag and crossbody bag. This card holder really don't need much room inside my bag. I will show you guys how it fits in my mini pochette, just for reference. Like so. As you guys can see, it really don't use much space. I hope you guys can see it. It's perfect for me. Loving this card holder. If you guys are interested in this card holder, I will do a review in this card holder in my next video. So make sure you guys subscribe to follow along. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoy and see you guys in my next video. Bye.